Today we are going to Quality Falls in Tumbler Ridge. So here we are out in the open.
We don't know is it a oil leaking or water leaking.
The river right there. Oh my god. Today we're going to very deep forest. There is bears, grizzly bears, elk, moose, mosquitoes, kide kade. So let's go. We have the bravest men and women today. Men in the back, women right there. Oh my god. Oh wow. Little bridge here. The bridge is very slippery, okay? So in Tumbler Ridge we have so many trials to do. This is the first one we are doing. It's pretty much easy. It's not hard. इधर हो नहीं हैगा. This is not the way. This is the way, huh? Hi, Idhar. How was the track? Good? Pretty decent track. 2.5 kilometers total. And it's not bad. Seriously, you can walk. I actually carry my kid with me all the way down. We're gonna go up now. Whatever. So we're back from the track. We're making tea, and now we're gonna go head to the city, Tumbler Ridge. So we're in the city and we're gonna visit the visitor center. Fire danger moderate. Oh, what is this?
Day, then there's no blasts planned, but definitely if you're planning it for another day, you just want to take a picture of that QR code. Reminds update every day whether or not they're planning to blast in that area. And so absolutely. If you're using Google Maps as well, it'll say active resources center timeline, and then a couple of
So we're gonna go to a trial. So after lots of discussion, we decided to do one more trail, one more trekking. So we're going to Flat Bed Falls. Again we are back in the trees. Now they are more scared of height than bears. They forgot bears, they're scared of height. Oh my god, look at that najara. So my mom, dad went back and my son with them. My wife and me, we are going. Oh my god, looks so nice. Look. So she's coming right there. Hello. So how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Okay.
A little bit tired, but
Okay, let's go. So
there.
that's the cabin right there. Look at the trees, sun up there in the clouds. Birds are chirping. Nisha is walking. And waterfall is flowing. And we are here.
We are here
Tracking.
enjoying.
and enjoying. Yes. So where we are. So there's a cabin. There's the washrooms. So it's good 10 to 15-minute walk down here. Okay, hold on. Okay, we go one by one, okay? Okay, I'm through. Come. Yeah, fataफट. Come. Okay. What did do? Okay, there was a frog. It's okay, it's a frog. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Tree falls everywhere. Okay, we are up. We are on the waterfall now. Look at the pool. Holy. Look at the pool, bro. Oh, look at the flow. So you can swim there, okay? You want to go swim? So this trail is little hard. It's straight up climb. Holy. It's a steep climb. Let's go. We almost there now. What do we found here?
There's a
Sitting area. It's a scenic view, guys. Scenic view of the valley. Holy, this is a bonus. Look at that. Holy. See, you can see the river right there. Oh my god. This is straight down, guys. Straight down. Okay, it's opening. Now we're gonna move. So it's our turn now. So we're gonna go to the other side. So they are repairing the bridge. The same river, okay? This is the same river down there. At this construction bridge, we decided to stop here. It's a nice river. My mom wanted to see the water. Mama.
Okay, 1, 2.
Give it to Arjun. मत ध्यान ना तारे सिर ते ना मार दे.
Throw it. Yeah.
Oh. I know how to do it. My turn. Ready? Ready?
Arjun, say bye, mom.
So it's only me and dad is coming. The rest is staying in the car, resting. Little trail. Oh wow, so nice. It's a wood. Yeah, look at the vegetation right here. It's so nice. Oh, look at this. So here we are, out in the open. Oh my god, look at this. Everybody's favorite, we're gonna make Maggie. We're gonna make Maggie right there at the viewpoint. There is a bench. Let's go. So we're gonna eat here in the car. because of the mosquitoes over there of the bench. Okay, the view is perfect. Okay. What do we have here? Oh wow, Maggie. Everybody's favorite, Maggie. Hello. Hi, Maggie guy. So we're here in Chetwynd, BC. We're gonna get some Subway and let's see what are we gonna eat. I mean, some of us are getting Subway.
So guys, we don't know is it a oil leaking or water leaking, but we are checking. What do you want to say on this happening?
So I checked, it's not oil, it's water. It's coming from, I think, exhaust system. So when the AC works, it has to dump out the water from something like that. So it's just water. Water. It's water. This city has lots of these wooden sculptures. It looks amazing. And this one is upside down. And I don't know. Here we go. Oh. So this was built in the carving championship. So there's so many of these if you see from here. Is there two of them, this one and that one. This is a dragon, I think. Yeah. So there's, I think this is a fish. So they have so many of these in the whole city. Okay, now, so some of us got Subway, we're gonna get Tim Hortons coffee. There's an airport on that side, so they made a helicopter sculpture, a wood sculpture. Nice one. Look at that. So, French vanilla dad, this is me and you. So we got the coffee. It's time to head back. Time to go home.